Hi guys, today we are going to unlock guys. Today I will make a video about taking a so deep basic to getting many dollars and trying out the fastest way to getting rebirth. First you need to get in the bigger size of your backpacks and dig as many ores as you can, but choosing the ore be the most valuable ore will be the better choices. First of all, getting a better suitcase are most important. The suitcase has 650 places for you to take, and the rest of the money I have those much. I'm going to buy the tools to buy as big as I can. So this one I could buy it. I will just buy it. Now it's time for me to go down the mine to getting some. Running as fast as you can to gain the most money from the land. Here, the Atlantis are very hard. The Atlantis rock are worth a lot. One will be worth 100. But you need 5 rebirth to get enough money. But don't buy the weapons while you are rebirth high. In the Atlantis, the backpacks and the weapons are expensive, more than 10 millions. Now let's try to dig down the mine to getting the money. So many. We have 1,000,000 and we will going to buy a better weapons and a better things. So let's just skip that. But I still want to think about to let you guys see how I dig a long time. In here, those sandstorms will be better to dig it. But the most important is the Asian storm. It's worth $1,713. So when you dig it, it's worth a lot. If you can come to Atlantis, if you have a bad weapon, the best choices was to dig the giant stone. The Asian stone will be better for you guys to getting more money. When I get the Asian stone, I get 300 more thousand. But when you see, when I only don't take the Asian stone, I only get 100,000.
你应该还没有走到一个需要考虑到要把工作放下来，展成全职这个的阶段吗？
还没，而且我工作很轻松，所以还好。
是可以自然的做的。
Now I have 1,000,000, so I can return home to buy a better backpack. When your backpack bigger, the block you mine will be easier. I will buy this one first. Oops. Now I have power drill. Now it's time for dig the better one. the noobs, if you can go to the toilet, the best choice is to buy the beach ball. When you get the beach ball, you can be easier to getting more money because of beach ball. The beach ball is expensive, but when you're getting that, it's more easier for you raising more monies. Today, I will try out the beach ball for you guys to see how better it was. The kelp are worse than the seaweed because the kelp are bigger and it's a better ingredient to doing more things. So the kelp, but I don't know the reason of the kelp are expensive. More better. When you have the larger place, you can getting so many monies. And now it's time to go back to getting the better things. Maybe this time I will take the bigger backpacks. I think so. This time I will take a bigger backpack. 500,000 storage. Big. No. The tool I will buy in the higher levels. We don't need to buy those. The bashers to this, to the power gun, to the jackhammer. I need to buy the power gun. We'll keep going after it.
姑姑法陈大二，我有，你在干什么？和狗长得一模一样，是我的双胞胎弟弟吗？哎呦，你抢不到我，老弟你想干什么？你们去死呗！好啊 ，yes。
The better war you are, and the higher rebirth you have, which is you can getting the better monies. But don't forget, the inventory here filled with those things. Those are even same very important. It just let have a little bug because I dig too fast. Now we get many monies. It's time for go to the shop to buy the beach ball. The beach ball will be harder for you to get in. So I'm going to get a better things from the earth shop. The close to getting the block C. So I want to get golden scissors. But now when you have the golden scissors, it's easy to get in more money by the scissors. Because you can dig faster, but first of all, you can dig deeper. The deeper you dig, the better ore you get. And this time I will skip that for you guys. I'll skip quickly. But now guess what? I only gave them 3 times plus that time I still record. Now it's 4 times. Now I already dig this deep. 273 blocks deep. And let's say go. Today I will go into the 300 blocks deep. You'll be pretty deep. Look, the money that quickly arrived in the million, and so I will be quicker and better. It goes so deep, I need to wait at least like 10 seconds or 5 seconds. Let's pause right there until I go into the 300 block. Alright guys, now I already dig to the 300 blocks deep. But now I should be going to be done with the whole videos. After when I rebirth, I'm going to done the videos. And you guys can go into trying those out. I'm just using close to like 20 minutes or 25 minutes to getting another rebirth. Or maybe you will using longer because your rebirth may be smaller or bigger than mine. And you can be faster or slower. But the only thing I want to tell is when you're noob, which is you don't have enough money, you just need to dig the better or the valuable ore that you can dig, the faster you can go to rebirth. And now let's rebirth it. Like this, you are new, I can reply you again. You need to take as valuable ore as you can to getting the better money. And bye guys. See you next video.